How to activate your Bank of America credit card. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Bank of America credit card online. To do so, first of all, you need to visit the Bank of America website. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device first. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, on the search bar, you need to type bankofamerica.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Bank of America. Here at the left side, you will find the sign-in interface. Here first of all, you will need to sign in or log in to your account. For that, in this first box, you need to enter your user ID and in the second box, enter your password. If you want your user ID to be saved for future logins, you can click on this little square here. Now once doing that, you can click on this login button right here and then you will be able to log into your account. After logging into your account, you need to navigate to the credit card section. There look for an option like activate card or activate your credit card option. Once you find it, click on it and then there you will need to provide the necessary details such as your credit card number, expiration date and your social security number. You need to enter all the details correctly in the provided boxes. And once you enter it, complete the activation process by following any additional instructions. And after that, you will receive confirmation that your card has been activated. So by following these steps, you should be able to activate your Bank of America credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.